Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I got a train going nowhere. I couldn't make up my mind. I'll stop at every station cause I got no patience for places I can't describe.
When I saw it was you, I felt a burst of elation. But then I recalled all the times I had called to my constant consternation.
So I got a train going nowhere. I couldn't make up my mind. I'll stop at every station cause I got no patience for places I can't describe. I met someone in a coffee shop. She left because I drank a lot. But she's the one I can't forget. I think her name was Betsy. I got a train going nowhere. I couldn't make up my mind. I'll stop at every station cause I got no patience for places I can't describe. First you took me far from home, I wouldn't have joined if I had known. You throw me through a window, now your words pepper my skin so. Take it out on sleeper cars, the curtain calls, the mini bars, telling me I'm overdue for stupors and glass residue. I'm barely hanging on to my dream. I'm barely hanging on. So I got a train going nowhere. I couldn't make up my mind. I'll stop at every station cause I got no patience for places I can't describe. I got a train going nowhere. I couldn't make up my mind. I'll stop at every station cause I got no patience for places I can't describe.